Sorry, guys. I'm not calling. Give me a message for this phone. I beg. I want to use my phone. Uni, mama de yo, mama de yo, uni, mama de yo. Yeah, so good evening, guys. Sorry, guys, good evening. Uni, I really plan I go jump papa soon. My big girl, I go jump papas. I need to get a new phone, guys. Good evening, because my baby wants this my phone. Why did they play music? Me for not they disturb me. And I they buy phone for them. We go just speaker. This well. Oh, mama de yo. Hey, mama de yo. That's so. Yes, so. Good evening, guys. How that day? How is everybody doing? How you all doing? Sorry, guys. Yes, so it's just a short one, like you all know. A short one, my people. I just want to talk about some of our men. Some of our men are markets now, not TD. I don't understand now. Well, we are you born who are muna say they help una wife now, una should una wife or una girlfriend. So yeah, if they don't born, don't be so now. Me are born really young. They don't really like to do anything. They'll your cross leg they look for. They will say for waiting. They will say they come for work. You know they easy. So they want to relax. They don't say now she be you want me. She they do everything. I don't understand them. You know, but now you know they nice now. Guy be. When I see help on a woman can carry picking, go school, carry picking, come back, come cook, come do this one, come clean, come make sure say the whole house they okay. The end of the day, when I see they say, I don't know why, as you know, just so much now, will not be all. So they really they help. That is very good. God will bless those one where they help their woman for us. You know, some they like to do anything. The worst thing we can make me vex past, they'll say, they be traditional man. They don't marry their wife now. For that reason, I beg you, they don't They don't marry their wife. They'll say, I beg. Sorry, guys. They'll say they don't marry their wife. For that reason, that their wife would do everything. But excuse me, your wife not be slave now. Marriage is marriage or relationship is for enjoyment. It's not for enjoy. So they enjoy. It's too much the way our people, some of our people, they do. Make the man, you suffer. As in, make the woman, they stress. Only she go, they do everything. It's not good. Wakiriwo. Some of our people, wakiriwo. Some of our men, especially. Not be all. Some good that they help their wife. They don't know they help their woman. You know, good mona change her beg. Woman carry pikin go school, bring them back from school, come cook, come go take care of the house, come go buy things like go make space where they want eat, come cook, come clean house, come bath pikin, come do this one. You know, send them go school, bring their bag, all those things, clean house, make sure say the house still dey tidy, make sure say still cook for them, make sure say the children eat and all those things. Bath them, do a lot of things, carry wash cloth, fold cloth, do a lot and a lot of the house work, you know, is on. You cannot even name everything because it's too much house work. You understand? At the end of the day, they will talk, say, na so it be, na so it not be. So they're not fit. They're not good, they not make sense. When they help una woman. Woman, they love man more and more. Woman, we know they help. Now the relationship don't tire. You go say, I beg. Everything will be bad, everything will be this, everything will be that. At least, woman will go the help. And the wife will be like friends. Not only friends, they will be like saying that the man not even born the woman, father and daughter. Then they will still be like, no man, husband and wife. I'll be the one that you lock up. Now say, I beg you, I don't marry her. I be traditional woman. Man, no, they do something. Now the woman do the ass work, take care of children. Why I marry her? Waiting, how much you pay, brother? And you go move your own and make man so. It's not nice. It's not good. Maybe reason if you still get sister, you start dealing on that marriage or on that relationship. If they stay with man, because you don't born for around those things. One man will you let your sister sweep. You go let her come clean house, wash clothes, bath children, carry children, go school, bring them back. Come do this one, come do that one, go make shopping, go do this one, a lot of things, the whole thing. You know, do if you go work, if you manage go work, you come back, you say you dey cater for the house. I don't know for the Nigeria, I don't see they say they help each other. For here diaspora now, woman see they support well. Woman they support the man as well. This one they support this one, that one they support this one. Because so bonus and make born a young one. Only man they take all the responsibility again. Depend on the man or depend on the cases. But I know say 80%. Now the man and woman they take care of the house always. I mean that they contribute together. Make things stay okay because one man is setting, one woman not 50 they do one, you know they easy. So now so my people. So I just want to quickly drop this because I've been wanting a long past this one, but I don't fit because of some kind reason. You understand? So I know your film make long than this. I don't want your time mistake even delete them because my kids still they disturb, they never go sleep. I mean then they bed they see they disturb there. I make me yours, you know, go talk to them and then like say I compress something, the thing delete mistake like be still there. I don't know, but me not see for my page now. I not see for my profile. So now I tell you say delete. Because normally if I do video, go there profile there or go there page there, but this one all day. So I know immediately say don't come out because they can't distract me. So they don't sleep there. One of them ever say sleep finish. Although they bed, they say they give me sign, they disturb small. So I make I want to drop the video so as in I want to end the live screen. But you know, say then they give you small disturb because they distract you as in, you know, if you focus on what you they talk. Sometimes. Not always, but sometimes. So what I want to say or what I want to conclude is this. Please, our men, most of our men, when they help on our wife. It don't mean anything, not remove anything from our body. It's a normal thing. You know, God bless those men that are doing it. It's love and it's likeness and it's God fearing. It's everything. If you are not helping, it's not good. Now the woman come old, you tire. That you say no sexy, no sabi twerk, no sabi do this one, or your body they pain now. I want a sexy brother. I wanted a twerk. We only want come sweep, clean, wash plate, wash clothes, carry children, go school, bring them back, go appointments, go buy something, and coffee where you know the answers in, go buy spacer, things with they want wish you want cook. Before you come, don't cook with you. Don't make sure say soup day, food day, stew day, or whatever day. Don't make sure say children don't see eat. Make sure say don't bath, don't keep the whole house neat. Keep the children neat. Keep herself. See, can't keep you the papa. We not see the house. Make sure say everything see they okay in order to still give you food and all those things. I beg, kudos to women. We women, kudos to us. It's not easy. We need a lot of accolade, you know. It's not easy. The truth is very bitter. Even if I'm one picking, the person even gets. It's not easy. But people still get one picking, say they're easy at small for them. Who don't get more than 2 picking here. Now kudos on a big one. I bad one. I dab for we will get more than 2 kids. Because I know say the truth is bitter. It's not easy at all. It's not easy. It's like most times when they do the work of man and woman. Now we be man and we be woman. The way they do a lot of things, you know. So now so we be. One of the help us. One of the help our women. One of the help. You don't mean anything. Some men they help way. Some of the help. I have the generator to put everybody. I mean to talk and say all of us here. I don't want to move anybody, but people where they do, where they help for us. Yes, thank you. Kudos to you. But who know they do? I beg, try to change. I'm not going to insult anybody. Just try to change. They do. They help. You know me. You are building your own. You are taking care of your own. You understand? It's good to do it. Sleep, yes. Because of you want to end this video now. You understand? This one not they quit they sleep for inside. If me not they sleep, you know go sleep on this my baby. So you understand? That's the way it be. So try to help, okay? Try to help our men, most of our men, not all. Try to help, you don't mean anything, please. As you do so, God will say they bless you. You know they leave all the work for your wife. Don't leave her for your wife. It's not good. It's very, very bad. It will come make her quit old. It will make her body come the pain. It will make her the more reason that your wife will do this and do that one. At the end of the day, maybe night, you'll see say make it come. If you not still come, you'll see the vest, all those kind of things as in. You see me still come bed. Person don't do all the work for us. You see me still come. A body must be pain and I know they easy. You understand? A body must be pain and a body must go on my easy. On my easy at all. So while woman at the help on a woman, at the help on a woman beg. Try one at the help on a woman, not mean anything. God go see the bless when I put. When I try one at the help on a woman, you don't mean anything. God go the bless her. She don't be slave. She don't be slave. She's your wife. You need to help her. Treat her like a baby. Treat her nicely. Treat her like yourself. Pity for her. Feel for her. Tell her, say, baby, honey, you have been doing all these things since I left. You have been doing things. Don't worry. Don't do it again. Go and relax. Let me finish it. You know, even if you tire, you know, say that the necessary thing to do, you go do one. You understand? So no problem, guys. Maybe we'll see talk this matter again because I need to attend to my kids right now. I just want to just quickly speak my mind out. And this thing, somebody called me about it. She lost her relationship because of this issue. Say her husband not the helper. Relationship can spoil. Say you don't want again. Say you not fit. So let me basically talk this matter. The relationship can spoil. Say you not fit again. Say you don't tire. And you go your day. You go walk. You go nearly die. You go do things. You go nearly die. For waiting, you not fit again. You not fit to do that kind of thing. As in, you born for and get 2 children for her. You go do. You go nearly die. The man not dey do anything. You not fit continue with that kind of relationship. Women not be slave now. I bet Mona still receive sense for our men now. Now Europe will see this, especially the one in Europe. Even the one in Africa, anyone. Help your wife. Please, it's not nice. Don't make her old than her age. Woman can't look older than her age because of say the man or the help. Try to help her, as in help her for his house to clean house, do this one, not me anything on her house. If only you want, make you imagine if only you want they stay, you never get wife, or you never get woman where they stay with you. Imagine her now, you don't clean your house, you don't clean your toilet, you don't wash plates, you don't cook for yourself, you don't do this, or you don't wash your clothes, you don't clean. You must do if you stay alone, but as you don't still get woman, the same thing, you join her. I don't say only one they do, and you see they join her, they do. You know good. Our men will come carry picking, we men can carry picking, go school, bring them back from school, go do shopping, go do this one, go do many things. Go appointment, do this one, do that one, carry children, go doctor, do this one. The end of the day, at least they help your wife, help her, join her, do things. Only if they cook, sometimes see join her, don't make it think quick fast, come out there. You know me, treat her like a queen. Treat her like a queen, she to go treat you like a king. But if you not treat her like a queen, she don't feel they treat you like a king too. She go the verse. If na only bed you don't know. And to give her belly, you know they treat her well like a king, a queen. She will see the verse, the relationship not go last. See this our sister, a beautiful sister like that. I no one use the I know they sabi record people, I know they like to see they show people picture. But on a very good day, if they think they're important more than this, or if they're very critical more than this, maybe it's possible too. I don't know. You understand? She just lose the relationship because of this matter. You understand? Say the man on the help her. The man on the help her. Why you day not help your wife? You not help your woman. You're day, you're not, so you come from what you eat. Sometimes you don't see go work, you sit there, so you cross your leg, carry phone, they touch phone. I beg, it's not nice. You people should change. Please, change. Stop it, guys. Please. Some of our mates, stop it. My people, please share this video and like the video. And always comment behind. Always comment, please, guys. Let's support each other. Support me. What I'm saying, there might be a point inside. Not be saying there must a point there. They say in every message there is a message inside. You understand? Please try to just pick some points inside. Take the good one, remove the bad ones. So we are for dustbin, for dirty, call it to Yoruba. You understand? Mona the help una woman, I don't just come from. Mona the help una woman for us. I beg, Mona see receive sense. Mona see the hear what some of una. Don't be all some they hear, some don't understand why some not they hear. You think you compare me part then go they go say there be tradition some of them. Why some they not share true? Not to just can you where we are bossa, maka bossa, make it they show me people they see they dress and here they know. Most of them now boy even be safe. Now don't even come worse, but they don't even they walk home. They go say, now those one can't even dirty pass. Dirty, like Yoruba, they call them. Now, they work, they go fabric, if they break, they go company work, nothing. If they your break, you take care of yourself, take care, you just deal with the woman. So far you do the woman, you do vaga, finish. So far you do vaga the woman, tell the woman make twerk for you, finish. They go break, say, oh yeah, baby, I bet cook more, eat. She go, they cook. And picking don't deal, now she go carry picking for back, they cook. It's not good, it's not nice. Most of our men too spoil for that thing. Don't leave their wife or their woman or baby mama make it a cook. I'm talking, baby, please sleep. Don't make noise, okay? It's time to sleep. Sorry guys, you understand? Don't leave their baby, don't leave their this thing, make their woman they twerk for them. Only that one they know, they're not feel just even come on the help and say, okay, or those are not even worse pass or boy even be. Or can you way? Agree may stay even enter your finger or your body. Not to just dress yourself, clean yourself, rub cream for body, they okay, go sit down, they press phone. Go say, baby, no worry, no worry, cook more, eat this one. They walk, I wish you see they walk now, go see good. Who will see you walk, so you're supposed to come back, you see help your wife, they say they do things. Help and see do small. Even if not be all, they're not going to do. The one we see they we not see they walk now. That one was past. They not going to do anything. They'll just leave and make sure they do everything. All the whole ass work. It's not good. It's not nice. It's very, very bad. Please, you guys should change and deviate from it. Please. Because it's not good. It's not that nice. That thing don't break the relationship for this my city where I just this so. I just see her today. They say, what fun away your husband now wait. They tell me say I bet they don't take again, God forbid. Why you? I make but master put no evil. I say, what did they happen? And the girl even still get belly again. I say, I God forbid do. And you still get belly again, you and your man not there. It did everybody, but everybody get issues. Different things they happen, you understand? But I can't say, and now wow, what did they happen now? Saying your style, you know what going there, your quarter small now, and the thing come one kind of thing or the other, and you decide say no fit again. You don't tell can say you don't even vow, say like line, don't finish. That one too, don't say vow, say okay, make the relationship die like that. You know, don't born one picking, get belly again. You understand? Because say, okay, now that one your cause quarrel now. Wow. You say you reach to cause quarrel, my sister. Only one your day go put picking for back and get belly. Go cook, you go clean, go do this one, carry picking, go school, bring them back, you know, they work. If they work, you can't stop the work. Okay, even if they work or you know they work, or you just supposed me my your day, you know, go help him, your wife do anything for us. To the essence, you go even eat, you go leave plate there or you go keep plate there, not go even this ordinary plate where they eat. And go do clean. Say too much, anyone can't die, say I can't be. And they look himself last year. I'm saying be this year, see the way it can't be. How many years in the waiting small picking of 28? Since I can't be like the day of 40 years for waiting. Say because you know stress one killer. Because they say and you get on that big belly, they say stress. As you get on that belly, one way you get now they complain say stress one kill. If you can't burn this one uncle, we can't go more than 2 and 3 uncle, we will can't talk. He say, I beg go sister, no, you know if you understand. No. The time with a different body, don't be so they do, you can't see they pretend they do small. It's when you're born, you're con worse, they do anything. Also, can you where map go they every day they clean a finger. Map go every day now to clean his body. Every day now to make sure say he buy better cream for all those kind of things. If you don't see born, you see they change now. He say, no, you not free continue. Okay, God forbid, even if God come down. I say, now wow, may God forgive us. So say, no, man, I know you're also reason now more. I beg. I make more mass like no few. Or you what few. I can still laugh, say, I understand you because me too, I don't pass through that kind of thing you pass through. But then when I all see reason and find the one that say settle things, he say no. Sister, forget, no verse. Settlement hero no night, don't pass. Better say now me they know more than 1 month now. You never even see her, you know the picky call, you know they even they call her. So make me forget saying don't make up your mind saying no once again. Now say now wow. So that's how it be my people because me I want in the live stream now. Now do when I me share the video, like this video. Maybe one or two person go see sense inside this thing while I talk, you understand? Because my baby they always sleep afternoon sleep and they can wake up late. If time reach like this, everybody they sleep, you know, agree like to sleep. So make I off my phone, make I force and make it sleep. You understand? So no problem, people. Good night and share this video, like the video. May God bless us and deliver each and every one of us and make us to sleep and wake up. Sleep like a lion, Abby. Sleep like and wake up like a lion. Yeah, sleep like a baby and wake up like is it lion? I don't know. Sorry guys, I don't forget the words. It don't still escape me again, but then everywhere good. But I remember saying we should sleep like a baby, and wake up like a giant also. Yeah, everywhere good, sha. So no problem, my people. God bless you all. Thanks for watching. Please share this video and always follow me on this page, Betty Isibo page. And don't forget, guys, to follow me on my YouTube as well, Lady B Who Is Perfect. Guys, who is perfect? Nobody. So let's encourage ourselves. Let's advise ourselves. Let's teach ourselves. No one is perfect, Learn from me, I learn from you. Comment below, please, guys. Don't forget to always comment. Comment something. I will still pick a lot of sense inside your comments, That is why I say nobody is perfect. You can teach me, I can teach you. So good night, people. Bye. We'll see you again. And maybe I might come again to talk about the issue again. So secondly, I used to talk about the one I promised to talk about 2-3 days ago. I went to my YouTube to say it, you understand? So who is following me on my page, try to still follow me on my YouTube so that in case I did know what I promised, say, oh, I will speak this topic, I will talk am again. If I'm not talking for page, definitely I can go talk for my YouTube. So please, guys, let's do it together. Let's support each other together. And together we'll stand, Let's support each other together. God will continue to bless us, you know. It will learn. Anybody, I mean, they talk, anybody will say they do live video presenter. If you watch her, you will still pick something. Everybody get one point or the other. So, guys, support. Let's support each other. That's so we build. Thank you, guys. Good night. And don't forget the men. Please try very hard to try to help your wife at home, help your woman. You know me, especially if you don't born. If you never even born, so still help. But if you don't born, now you even need them pass. You know, if you expect woman put piggy for back, they do one or two things around the whole house, then you just sit down, they look television or they look your phone, they press Facebook. It's not good, it's not nice. Try to help him, help her. Try to help her, please. It will make your relationship last long. But if you know they help, it go the reason as they cook. Or when do a hand where you go they tire for your matter, go say, I beg don't tire for this man. Which kind of man be this? Only one do everything. For waiting now, you don't tire. That is just the fact. We need to understand the truth. Nothing but the truth, you know. So please, we should try to deviate from it. We try to change. You understand? Our men change because they break a lot of relationship. Try to change because it's breaking a lot of relationship. That's why you have to change. If you don't want to make your relationship break, try to just help your wife. So this person where they talk so it break a relationship. And I know say they happen well. It break the relationship. I wish the man the help her if for not break the relationship will not break. Say no, enough fit again. The man, no, God forbid. So guys, I don't feel talk the matter. So I just want to end now. Good night. Bye. Share the video. Like this video. Bye. Share, and like and comment. Please, guys. And follow me on this page. And follow me on my YouTube too. Because some topic I will not go and treat it on YouTube. Thank you, guys. Bye.